So in practice section number 5, I'm going to break down the advanced accompaniment with the licks. We're not going to do the easy and the syncopated. You can go ahead and practice that on your own. So we're really going to do the advanced one and get this one down step by step. Okay, so let's just take this measure by measure. So the first measure is ready, go. All right, so it's ba, trip, ba, let. So notice that that left-hand chord starts, but then it hits again when you hit that C of the triplet. Okay, when you hit that third note of the triplet. Okay, now in measure 2, we go to the F, and then second finger or middle finger. And then remember here, you're going to hit with that third triplet again. So measure 2. Measure 2 again. So let's do measures 1, 2 to the beginning of measure 3. Ready, go. Two, try it again. Always a good idea to put the metronome on, so let's do that right now. We'll have our metronome on 80. Here we go. And let's even slow this down a little bit more. We'll bring the metronome down to, let's bring it down to 72. Here we go. All right, so let's do that part right there, measure 3 in the left hand. Now what I like to do is I like to play this left hand, right? Then I'm playing this in the right hand. And then a lot of times I'll hit that B flat with my middle finger the first time, rather than having to get my hand over there, right? And it kind of gets in the way. So F chord, and then C chord with the middle finger here, then move away, and then left hand. Move away. Right, then we go to that G flat 7. Right here, the G flat 7, going into the F. All right, so let's do that line right there, those two measures. We'll do that nice and slow. We'll do it along with our metronome. Here we go. This is measure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. Ready, go. One more time. Ready, go. All right, excellent. All right, so now the last thing we've really got to do is we're going to get down this last part with the G7. So, all right, so you use 2, 3, 4, right, or 2, 1, 3. And that might be a better fingering because when you come to the F7, you could hit your fourth finger on the C. So I'd probably use 2, 1, 4, or 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. So let's just do the right hand on that. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's do that with the left hand. Here, well, put the metronome on. Here we go. Let's talk about that last little part right there. So we have measure 11 and 12, C7, F over C, then we hit the C7 quick, even though really it's often a G7 there, but we're just hitting the C7 quick, and I go pinky, 4, and this is a little tricky, I get underneath with the pinky, so it's really 5, 4, 5. You want to practice that by itself, 5, 4, 5. I mean 5, 4, 5 right there. You don't need to move your arm all that much. You can add that chord in the right hand if you really want to bump it up. Creates an augmented chord. Alright, so let's do the entire accompaniment with licks along with the band, and we'll put it on the 72 beats per minute. Here we go. When we end the blues, we always end on that one chord, right? We always go back to the one chord. And you can do all kinds of voicings there. You can also, if you want to end it, just coming right down the blues scale and the triplets like that. It sounds really nice. Triplet, 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 triplet. So, all right, so anyway, great job. Work through each measure of this nice and slow, right? Takes a little bit of time, but you'll get there. I'll see you in the next mini lesson.